Hi folks, it's Sandy from parkerlings.com, and today I wanted to bring you a real quick tutorial video. My sister has asked for a video about how to make my bows. Today I'm going to show you how to make this two-puff bow. For this project, you will need a ribbon that measures 48 inches or 4 feet long. This ribbon is wire edged, and it's good to have wire edged ribbon. It just makes your poofs stand up better. You will also need a scissors, and you will need a zip tie or floral wire to be able to tie the bow and secure it together. So let's get started. Here I have my ribbon, and I'm going to start with the glitter side up, and I'm going to start by making a circle. Okay, and then on the underside, what I'm going to do, because on the upper side this is now the back of the ribbon, so what I'm going to do with my circle is to put a twist at the back of the loop. I'm going to twist it so that the glitter is back up on the top. I'm then going to come around, make my first loop, and at the back, once again, holding it in this with my fingers, I'm going to twist it again to make sure that the glitter, the front of the ribbon is facing up. And I'm going to come an equidistant with the first, so that this loop and the second loop are approximately the same distance apart. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to twist again so that the glitter side is on the top. And this time you'll notice that I've come just to the top of the bow, so next to my first loop. And again, doing the same thing, coming back around, and that will naturally put me coming to the bottom of the second loop with my fourth loop, so that then what I get is kind of an X with my loops, with my knot, if you will, in the center. With the piece that remains, I'm going to bring it around so that I can make my tail, and I'm just going to hold that all in the center. So now I have everything just kind of bunched up in the center here. I'm going to take my zip tie and bring it around. I'm going to bring my zip tie around through my loop and get it in, and moving my fingers slightly, I'm then going to tighten the zip tie around all of the layers, making sure that there is a good amount of the end outside of, you see here, this is the end of my ribbon. It is properly through the zip tie, and likewise on the inside, my center is properly within the zip tie, so that then it's not going to come out. And before you tighten completely, if something has fallen out, like my ribbon has slightly, then you can work to get it tucked back in before you fully tightened the zip tie. Okay, so then fully tighten the zip tie, as tight as it will go, and then you can fluff your bow, just like so. And finally, with the tie that you created at the bottom, use your scissors to cut that in the center. And there you have your gift bow. And one of the things that you can do is either have the tails cut flat like I have here, or you can cut the tails at an angle like so for a nice look, or you can do as I did. on this bow and simply fold the tail in half and cut from the middle to the edge so that you then get a little pointed tail, like so, a flag tail, I guess they could sometimes call that. So there you go, a quick tutorial on how to make a pretty little bow for a gift or for a wreath. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial video and that you have wonderful crafting days in the lead up to Christmas. Thank you very much. Happy holidays. Bye.